Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Emirates Keys and Diagnostic Tools. Today we are introducing to you the VF2 flasher from Green Technology Devices.
VF2 flasher tuning tool is a professional tool for automotive workshops and chip tuners, designed to diagnose, repair and reprogram engine and transmission control units of cars, trucks, special vehicles, boats and yachts, and many other vehicles. The tool supports operation in boot mode, bench mode, as well as through the OBD2 diagnostic connector, and it's made as a 7-inch tablet with touchscreen and built-in power supply with protection against improper connection and short circuits. This design allows you to work autonomously without the use of a PC, thus significantly reducing the risk of third-party drivers, operating system, and other software interface in the programming process. VF2 Flasher has an innovative user interface with built-in instruction for connecting to the ECU.
For more information, don't forget to visit our website www.mk3.com.